Okay, here's another little lesson. I'm going to try and do this. I've done a coconut tree on the channel so far, but I haven't drawn any really big shade trees to try and make them look three-dimensional, and let's see how we can best do this. So I'm going to start off, first of all, remember the trunk of a tree usually gets fatter at the bottom, especially if it's, I'll make this into like a big, really big trunk of an old oak tree or something like that. And then maybe a big branch that comes out here near the bottom. And here's maybe another fork here. So here's a big branch coming up here and another one going that way. So this part is almost like we just did in our cloud lesson. Here's the puffy clumps of leaves and foliage. And see, I'm almost doing just what I did with the cloud lesson. I'm going to have another part of the tree way up here and a couple of branches coming up, and here's the underside of those, the clump of leaves. Here we go, the dark shadowed underside, the shadowing the underside here. Same thing over here, we got some sunshine, got the rays of sunshine to just remind me where the light source is coming from. And I'm going to shadow this, the whole area with the leaves. I'm going to shade it in a little bit here. This is just a quick way to do it without having to do a whole bunch of small leaves. But here's how it works again. Dark shadowing underneath. Oh yeah, this is a really important part. Here are the trunks, the big secondary branches of the tree, the really big, thick ones. And see how I'm making it spread out into different branches, and just a little bit of a fork there. So watch what I can do. The trunk or the big branches of the trees would be really dark in the shadow there. Be really dark going up underneath the leaves there, the canopy of leaves. Same thing here. Kind of dark going up under there. Dark on this side of the tree. Now watch how I'm making these curved lines here. Just by making these curved lines on the trunks or the branches of the trees, it makes it really look like it's curved and three-dimensional. Some grass along the base of the tree. This is the dark side once again, all along here. I'm going to do some extra shading and a little bit of smudging here. Do some smudging in all the branches or the foliage of the tree, and once again a little extra dark under here. The skinny branches. See how skinny the branches are up here compared to these really fat ones down below. And maybe another little place where you can see through into the branches of the trees. Just like I did with the clouds, kind of the billowing top of the leaves. A few little places where the leaves stick out beyond the canopy. And that might be it. There's some nice shading going on underneath the tree here, maybe in the grasses. And why not? We've got a little swing here. And a little person. Swinging on their swing. and some little lines that make it look like it's in motion. There we go. It's a little something for fun. And a bird or two winging their way across the sky, coming to land in the tree. Okay, that's our little lesson for today. Oh yeah, if I do just a little more smudging in all of the foliage of the tree, it separates it from the sky background. So I'm going to do just a little more smudging. Smudging on the trunk. The whole trunk's smudged. And more smudging here. Okay, that's about it. There's a little fun lesson on drawing a big shade tree with its shady branches underneath. Have a great day.